Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to learn English question and answer fast. We'll dive into simple, effective strategies to boost your comprehension and speaking skills. You'll discover how to quickly grasp what's being asked and formulate confident responses. This easy method focuses on practical application, helping you communicate more naturally and efficiently in everyday conversations. Get ready to transform your English learning journey today. To answer quickly, first master different question types. WH questions seek specific details, so listen for keywords. Yes/no questions require a simple affirmation or negation, often followed by a brief explanation. Understanding these structures helps you anticipate the expected answer format. Practice distinguishing between direct questions, which are straightforward, and indirect questions, which are more polite and complex. Active listening is crucial. Pay close attention to the main verbs and nouns. These are often the keywords that reveal the question's core. After hearing the question, take a short pause, perhaps 1 or 2 seconds, to mentally structure your answer. Then, respond clearly and concisely, providing only the necessary information. Avoid over-explaining or using complex vocabulary unnecessarily. Consistent practice is key to rapid improvement. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to speaking English, even if it's just talking to yourself or using a language exchange partner. Leverage various online resources, like interactive quizzes and popular language learning applications, to reinforce your understanding. Remember, the more you immerse yourself, the faster you'll progress. Also, for more reading practice, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.